Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z7495XX. Only 32,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Ashen gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Malibu's in the midsize car class, seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu is a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-sized sedan. EPA average 25 miles per gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information about this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.